you? Yes, you've got 'em. You just got those hiccups today. Yes, you do. Yes, you do have 'em. Oh my goodness. You got 'em. Yes, you do. You got those hiccups. And they're so hard to get rid of, aren't they? Yes, they are. They're just so hard to get rid of, those hiccups, aren't they, love? Yes. They're just annoying, aren't they? Yes, they are. They're super annoying. Oh, there comes another one. There comes another one. Ah! Look at that. Look at that. You just got those hiccups like nothing else. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, little love. Here comes another one. Ah, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Give a little squeak. Give a little squeak. Can you do the squeak? Yes. There's the squeaky hiccup. Like a little mouse. Oh, babies. Oh, babies. There's that squeaky hiccup. Yes, it is. Yes. It's just that squeaky hiccup. It is. Oh my. Oh my.